You see, even
Ah,
yeah, even washing clothes, he can sit. Cooking, he can sit. So everything he need to sit. He cannot do anything while he's standing.
ah,
So that's why they are always bending and
they consider
wash.
when the lady is sitting, they consider it lazy,
Yeah, lazy lady. So
because I notice here, and most of them they're just cooking
even
on
yeah,
the ground,
even
right?
mother when you see the daughter doing like that, you'll beat her. Wake up,
They beat,
hey,
really?
wake up. Why are you doing like that? You should cook while we are standing.
Standing, ah.
So you cannot sit anyhow.
Mm.
So need to be straight.
May kukunin kaming saging dito. Ang may-ari nito yung Indonesian. Dito sa loob, hindi pansin yung bunga. Pero doon sa labas, kitang-kita. Nakita ko kanina, kinukuha na ng mga bata. It's ready, it's ready. You just cut the tree. Cut the tree, cut the tree.
This one?
Ayo.
Oh. Why this one cut? Very ready, huh? Okay, let's go.
You see some are taken already by the children.
Eat it. Yeah. I want to eat it for video. Good. Hey, very nice.
Very nice, huh?
Hang on, wait.
Oh, Agus. Kep, Jacob, Kois. Ito nga pala yung naaanin naming saging, oh. Kumuha lang ako ng isang piling, eh. Yung iba, ibinigay ko doon sa mga cleaner. Si Agos kasi, yung may-ari nung saging na yon, isang piling lang din yung kinuha niya. Tapos isang piling sa akin, isa kay James. Yung iba, pinamigay namin doon sa mga cleaner. Okay naman yung lasa nito, eh. Matamis din. Nakalibre na saging. Magandang araw mga kabayan. Una nga pala sa lahat, magpapasalamat muna uli ako doon sa mga laging nanonood ng mga ina-upload ko. At sa ngayon po, medyo dumami na uli yung subscriber natin. At madadami na rin yung mga views. Kaya salamat po doon sa mga nanonood, lalong-lalo na doon sa mga nag-share. At para naman doon sa mga ngayon lang nakapanood, baka naman po pwede na paki-subscribe po yung munti nating channel. At kung sa Facebook ka naman nanonood, baka pwedeng paki-follow, paki-like, paki-share na rin po para mas marami pong makapanood. Ang i-share ko nga pala ngayon, isa uli sa mga lagi kong napapansin na nakagawian nila na ibang-iba kaysa sa atin. Ang tinutukoy ko, yung mga gawain na sa atin karaniwan ginagawa yon ng nakaupo. Halimbawa na lang yung paglalaba. Sa atin yung mga naglalaba ng hand wash, mayroong mga maliliit na upuan yan. O kaya naman basta yung mga ibang gawain na sa atin karaniwan nakaupo. Dito sa kanila hindi pwede yon. Pwede naman siguro, kaya nga lang pagka daw mayroong mga halimbawa anak na babae, napansin nung magulang na kung magtrabaho nakaupo, pinapagalitan yan, pinapalo daw yan dahil dito daw hindi daw dapat na umuupo. Kahit naglalaba sila, hindi dapat umupo, dapat daw nakatayo, magbe-bend lang sila. Malamang naman napapansin nyo na yung mga bahay nila dito, yung sa labas, dito sa amin na iba yung mga bahay namin dito, medyo magaganda yung bahay namin. Pero doon sa labas, ang mga bahay nila maliliit lang, na para bang isang kama lang at konting gamit sa loob. Kaya asahan na natin na sa loob ng bahay na yon, walang banyo sa loob yon, walang kusina sa loob, Basta yung tulugan lang at para sa kunting gamit. Kaya dito, karamihan sa kanila, nagluluto lang sila doon sa labas ng bahay. Sa lapag lang. At ganoon din kung magluto sila dito. Hindi sila umuupo. Basta nagbe-bend lang sila at sa gagawin yung mga dapat nilang gawin. Ganon ang nakasanayan nila dito. Dahil pag umupo daw sila, tinatawag daw sila na tamad. James, I notice here many women here. Maybe all when they are working, like when they are cooking or washing clothes, they don't sit. They do it standing and then they bend.
Yeah.
Why like that?
That one, when you are sitting, some people look at you, they will say that this woman is lazy. You see, even washing clothes you can sit, cooking you can sit. So everything you need to sit. You cannot do anything while it's standing. So that's why they are always bending and
They
wash.
consider when the lady is sitting, they consider it lazy.
Yeah, lazy lady. So
Because I notice here, and most of them they are just cooking
even
on the
even,
ground.
even
right?
mother, when you see the daughter doing like that, you'll beat her. Wake up,
They beat?
hey,
Really?
wake up. Why are you doing like that? You should cook while we are standing.
Standing,
So you cannot sit anyhow.
Mm.
So need to be straight.
Why
them the same.
don't you to make like a table for cooking only?
Table?
Not exactly table, but just like table, so that you can stand, not cooking on the ground.
But that one is another culture, not in our culture. So
You like cooking in the ground,
not me.
not you.
They like to cook on the ground because before we have no those kind of thing. So you need to cook well. But if also you bring up the shako will finish faster because the wind is coming and it's
So you make it close,
Ah,
like a small room, and then no wind.
okay, when you make it a small room, you put
Like
the
it will be the kitchen, right?
to be a kitchen. We cannot waste our time for that. It's all because those kind of things you leave it to woman, not meant to
Construct.
to do those kind of things to come say that I will build for you this one for cooking. It's only woman who will decide to say that let me make small room for cooking because they are when you marry a woman, you just marry and show him his room, class. Other thing he will complete for himself because everybody know that. It's only when you bring other lady from other country or in other culture that why he will come and confuse you. But in your own culture, no problem. You just marry and you relax. Men will be free and the woman will be in condition because
Cooking, fetching water.
and also for a lot of things, washing clothes
Washing
for the
clothes.
man and also for the brothers.
Also for the brothers.
Yeah, when it's new. If it is new, you need to do everything, whatever you get in the room. You clean everything. You make yourself to be.
So that one is big work for the ladies.
Yeah, when it's new, new wife, it suffer a lot. Until
So it's good that you are a man.
Yeah, it's good.
If you become a lady, big problem.
Big problem. Could be used very bad. But I also need to make my wife to feel happy. I will not leave her to do those kind of things. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Because even if it's your culture,
You need to
it's
change.
not good for the lady.
Yeah, if you are seeing a lot of suffering on that thing, you need to change. So when you have money, you should do it. If there is no money, the wife know already that is a condition. But if you have your own money, you should hire someone to watch it.
Good, good.
Yeah, yeah. And I need beautiful woman. But the,
At yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung shinare ko ngayon. At maraming salamat po doon sa mga laging nanonood ng mga ina-upload ko. At para naman nga pala doon sa mga mahilig manood ng mga automotive videos, meron din po akong automotive videos doon sa kabilang channel. Ito po yung channel na yon. Baka naman po pwedeng pakibisita rin. At shoutout nga rin pala kila Manhares family ng Camarines Sur. Shoutout din po kay Rodel Arevalo, Jonel Gubaton, Felix Tiplan, Sunny Tibuok, Purple and Gold, Ingracia Crisostomo, Eduardo Sapanta, at kaya Filipino Engana. At sa lahat po ng mga nanonood ng mga ina-upload ko, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.